classic line dance. The smaller the club. I'm going to do the instructional. So it starts off, you're going to walk back and tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're just walking back and tapping. 1, tap. 2, tap. 3, tap. 4, tap. 1, tap. 2, tap. 3, tap. 4, tap. Next step, you're going to shake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to tap on both sides. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and shake. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next step. Upside sailor. Up, side, chop, 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 or triple step. Up, side, chop, chop, chop. Jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do the upside sailor and the jazz box. Up, side, triple step, up, side, triple step, jazz box, 3, 4. Upside sailor and the jazz box. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, side, chop, chop, chop. Up, side, triple step, jazz box, 3, 4. Let's finish this dance off. Let's start from that part. Upside sailor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, side, triple step, up, side, triple step, jazz box, 3, 4. Walk back, 2, 3, 4. You're going to make a 1/4 turn to your left and walk back, right, left, right, left. Then the dance starts over again. You tap it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upside sailor, upside sailor, jazz box. 1, 2, 3. Turn walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the entire dance. Hope you enjoy it.